Good morning, I'm Don Wild and my wife Sharon. We operate Wild Acres Family Farm here in Great Valley, New York, which is southwest part of New York State. It's the end of October. Right here we got our chicken tractors. This particular tractor is done with the chickens. We had two batches of them we run this year, and these are the Cornish cross, triple-breasted, high-octane birds. Right now we got turkeys in here. They've been in here for about a month now. They will be processed in about 3 weeks. And so I'm going to show you a little bit what we do. This particular chicken tractor, you see a lot of them around, the real short ones. This one's made out of angle iron, 1.5 inch angle iron. And our son Michael welded these up for us. This particular chicken tractor here is 12 feet long by 10 feet wide. And as you can see, we got the cattle panels that we purchased those. They are 16 feet long, and we basically cut 4 feet off. So a 4 foot high or long cattle panel bowed from rib to rib on the angle iron and spot welded gives us a height of about 4 feet. So we can very easily put one sheet of plywood on the end here for our door, and we can very easily go in and out. And just a little bending over rather than crawling. And if you see down in there, you can see the birds. Yeah, they're pretty good size already. That's the feeder that we fill up twice a day. Right now, we're trying to put weight on the birds. And so they got the feed right in there, and you can see some of the waste. And what's very easily to do, this has 6 wheels on it, 3 on a side, and you can very easily push this and just get it up to the new location. And that's all we need to do twice a day. All right, what I've got here is a water tank we use. This is 6.5 gallon, and this is all gravity, vacuumed and so forth. It holds a lot of water, which supplies those birds on a hot day. They will drink a whole 6-7 gallons of water. So we keep that right in the pen with the feed. One thing we've done too on a lot of our birds is the amount of grass that they will eat. This is pasture right here, has been grazed off by the sheep. You can see the ram over here and our stallion, our little miniature stallion that we had from previous years when we had miniature horses. And they enjoy some of the pasture here next to where the birds are. So far we've worked across this pasture, and we started over here on the far fence, and that's about 140 feet away, and we keep moving across here. And you can scan up through here, and you can see where we came down. Now we're going back up. And we got a width here about 150 feet wide, or length there, that these chicken tractors are moving on. And so the grass right now is grazed pretty short. It is amazing how much grass they will actually eat, the chickens and the turkeys. We've had processed some where when we move the cages, sometimes you run over a bird or two, and you process those right away, and you'll find a lot of grass in the crop on these birds. We're going to scan up here now on the other chicken tractor and see what we got up here on this one.